Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely beautiful and delicious halloumi cheese caprese salad. Let's first start off with that halloumi cheese, which you can pick up from the hand-selected cheeses at the cheese department from your favorite Heinen's. What we want to do is thinly slice this about 1/3 to a 1/2 inch thick. We're going to set them to the side. Next, we're going to add some olive oil to a medium-sized non-stick frying pan over high heat. We want to add our sliced halloumi cheese in there. We're talking maybe 1 to 2 minutes per side. Be careful because they are going to want to stick. It is cheese after all. They should be decently brown on both sides. We're going to set them to the side, and then on a separate plate, we are going to add on a bunch of different sliced tomatoes, and all tomatoes are good here. Of course, add on the halloumi cheese. We're going to add on even more cherry tomatoes in addition to everything else. Let's season it up with salt and fresh cracked black pepper, and then some Heinen's balsamic glaze is really going to take this to the next level. I like to finish it off with some microgreens and some fresh basil leaves, and this salad is absolutely going to impress everyone who gets to see it and eat it.